Na-miss kita.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
Eto, buhay pa naman sa awa ng Diyos.
Laban lang talaga. So, who's your bet?
Diyos ko, tinatanong niyo pa ba ako kung sino bet ko?
Lantaran na ba to? Lantaran na ba? All out.
Oo. Ikaw, may bet ka na ba? Sinong gusto mong sumupot sa...
Lahat.
Ay, ang safe mo naman
A lot
sumupot.
of friends kasi who joined again. Atisa, diba? Win-win. Oh, diba?
Di ba ano?
Gabby Carvalho, diba?
Oo, yun nga yung gusto ko sabihin. Lumalakas si Doktora ngayon.
She knows when to peak, so wait for her.
Humingi ba siya ng advice sa'yo?
Marami naman kaming hiningan niya ng advice, pero kasi iba kasi sa time ko, remember. I was under BBP and Miss Universe is a different organization. So she has to prepare more for that.
Pero based sa nakikita mo sa kanya, sa mga photos niya, performances niya online, anong pwede mo masabi sa kanya at this point in time?
Point in time.
Parang ikaw, i-relate mo yung sarili mo, like a week from now na yung coronation, tapos ngayon syempre stress na sila. Ano kaya iniisip nila ngayon?
I know Gabby kasi has a faith for God. So I know that she will do it with all her strength. She will not fail us because she has a strong core within her. Yung gusto ko lang siguro is landian niya pa yung lakad niya. Kasi minsan parang it's too fierce. Gusto ko lang makita yung version na sweet tapos fierce and then sweet ulit at the same time. Ayun, strength. She will not fail us because she has a strong core within her. Yung gusto ko lang siguro is landian niya pa yung lakad niya. Kasi minsan parang it's too fierce. Gusto ko lang makita yung version na sweet tapos fierce and then sweet ulit at the same time. Ayun. Oo. So siguro yun lang yung landian niya pa. Lagyan niya ng rar. Ganun. Pero I love Gabby. She's very humble, down to earth, and approachable, of course. We would like a queen that's approachable.
Lumalakas talaga siya, promise. Like she started 0 ngayon pa.
Alam mo si Gabby, ano yan, hindi yan natatalo sa pageant. Sa Cebu ha, she joined Miss Mandaue, she won. Miss Cebu, she won. And this is her third, if I'm not mistaken. So, abangan mo talaga. She's out there.
Sige, itataas ko na siya sa hot picks ko.
Please! Please, yeah. Gabby deserves all the love.
Alright, thank you so much, Kasi. See you next week.
See you next week. Bye!
Yes. Magpapicture lang yung mga